In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off low power mode on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. You can easily identify that your device is on low power mode by that yellow battery icon. So now let me show you how you can easily turn this mode off. First, open up Settings. Then scroll down and get into battery. And right here at the very top you can easily find a low power mode feature, and all you have to do is just hit add that switcher to toggle this feature off. As you can see, battery icon switched from yellow to black. That means that low power mode is now off. And there is one more way how you can enable or disable low power mode. You can simply do it from the control center if you have added this feature here, so you can swipe down from the top right corner, and right here you can enable or disable low power mode feature just by tapping on that icon. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.